Are you tired of struggling to create the kind of written information technology documentation truly showcases your knowledge and skills? Imagine if you could effortlessly craft documents that captivate your leadership and drive action. Introducing the Just Do This IT Written Documentation Workshop, a half-day virtual event that will revolutionize the way you approach written communication in the world of IT. In this workshop, you'll uncover the secrets to creating the kind of written documentation that your leadership already expects from you. No more guessing or struggling, just clear, concise, and impactful documents that leave a lasting impression by telling the story, not just vomiting tech all over the place. That's not all. You'll also learn how to structure your documents to cover all the essential areas, ensuring your skills shine through every word. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to a document structure that impresses. And here's the real game changer: discovering how to structure your words in a way that convinces leadership to take action when it matters the most. With the right language and approach, you'll become a catalyst for change. But wait, there's more! I'll guide you through the art of incorporating data effectively, teaching you when to include it and when to let your narrative speak for itself. No more data overload, just the perfect blend of information. And the best part, you'll be learning from the proven document formula featured in the book, Just Do This, A Simpler Way to Succeed in IT. It's time to unlock the secrets that propel your career forward in IT. Mark your calendar for August 25th, because attendance is absolutely free. Can't make it? No worries. We'll have a free replay available over the weekend. After that, poof, it's gone. Well, forever. For those seeking an even greater advantage or that missed the live session, we have an exclusive VIP upgrade. For just $99, you'll get an anytime on-demand replay, a live Q&A session after the workshop, additional Q&A live with me 3 weeks after, and a prestigious Credly certificate of completion, and some other goodies we can't really talk about in this video. What's more, a portion of the VIP proceeds will directly support the Thrive IT Scholarship Fund, making a difference in the lives of aspiring IT professionals with limited means. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your written documentation skills and supercharge your IT career. Secure your spot today for the Just Do This IT Written Documentation Workshop. Your path to success in IT starts here. Just click the link and let's get to thriving together. Just click the link below. Just click the clink? Really, Deej? Just click the link below and we'll get started. Just click that link below and we'll get started on the 25th. Just click that link below and we will see you August 25th or 26th or the 27th. Or maybe the 29th. I don't know. VIPs, we'll see you anytime.